Autonomous robots excel in factories and other man-made spaces, but they struggle with the randomness of nature. To help these machines overcome uneven terrain and other obstacles, University at Buffalo researchers have turned to beavers, termites, and other animals that build structures in response to simple environmental cues as opposed to following predetermined plans. When a beaver builds a dam, it is not following a blueprint. Instead, it is reacting to moving water. It is trying to stop the water from flowing. The researchers are developing a system for autonomous robots to behave similarly. The robot continuously monitors and modifies its terrain to make it more mobile. The work could have implications in search and rescue operations, planetary exploration for Mars rover style vehicles, and other areas. While the project involves animals and robots, its main focus is math, specifically developing new algorithms, the set of rules that self-governing machines need to make sense of their environment and solve problems. Creating algorithms for an autonomous robot in a controlled environment such as an automotive plant is relatively straightforward. But it is much more difficult to accomplish in the wild, where spaces are unpredictable and have more complex patterns. To address the issue, the researchers are studying stigmergy, a biological phenomenon that has been used to explain everything from the behavior of termites and beavers to the popularity of Wikipedia. According to stigmergy, the complex nests that termites build are not the result of well-defined plans or deep communication. Instead, it is a type of indirect coordination. Initially, a termite will deposit a pheromone-laced ball of mud in a random spot. Other termites attracted to the pheromones are more likely to drop their mud balls at the same spot. The behavior ultimately leads to large termite nests. Researchers have compared this behavior to Wikipedia and other online collective projects. For example, one user creates a page in the online encyclopedia. Another user will modify it with the additional information. The process continues indefinitely with users building more complex pages.